In such a harsh land, with mountains, valleys and plateaus located in protected areas and natural parks of rare beauty and high ecological interest, natural tourism always seems like a good suggestion. To walk in the wild, adventure through mountain trails towards the transhumance villages, or to go fishing in a clear mountain river represent irresistible appeals. There are numerous organized activities concerning ecotourism. For starters, there's relaxing walks or horse or bicycle rides through the fresh woods or watercourses, during which pauses we can taste the delicious flavors that the region has to offer. But we can also make a healthy stop at the spas we find in our trip. Since ancient times, their water is famous for healing, and now these are modern spas where we can relax and take a break from our daily stressing lives. For those who like adventure, extreme sports are the best option. Canoeing or rafting river descents, boat trips or teleski in lakes, mountaineering and rappel in steep slopes, or sliding and parasailing. These are some of the options regarding outdoor activities. On the other hand, we can never ignore the calling of the nice river beaches or even the seaside so near, with fine and clean sandy beaches and irresistible waters. Close to nature and rural life, the villages of Portugal offer an ecological tourism according to our present environmental concerns. The gastronomic tradition associated with the villages of Portugal is rich and varied, and it has been widely appreciated for generations. For starters, everything connected to pork is used in a good Portuguese traditional dish. Roast pork and sarrabulho, a dish made of pig's blood, as well as ham, tanned for long, hard winters, which meat is rosy and greasy, is a specialty. And then there's the famous lampern when we're already thinking about other flavors. The lampern is caught especially in the River Minho, and it's a highly recommended dish, so we suggest a taste of it, cooked the bordaleza way or the cabidela rice, and also the trout, the octopus and the shad, which always attract people from everywhere. Another famous and delicious fish used in traditional cooking is cod. And as far as meat is concerned, there's the famous capão rooster, the veal from Barrosin or Aroquesa breeds, and the kid, always delicious. Sweet desserts are also traditional and very popular. The crème brûlée, the sopa seca, the pão de ló cake, the barrigas de freira, a conventual dessert, or the bolinhos de amor are irresistible. Now, when we talk about wines for the north, we immediately think about white wine, which we can very easily find, and the best brands in any good restaurant. For instance, the Loureiro and the Alvarinho wines. White, sparkling and fruity, they have a legion of fans. And then, in the Douro vineyards, another jewel shines: port wine. In the villages or the natural surroundings, there's always lodging or restaurants available for those who visit the villages of Portugal. There's many typical and rural houses open for tourism purposes. All of them have kept their rich and traditional architectural traces, as well as offering good quality to guests. Depending on the cultural and geographical situation, the building materials differ. Sometimes it's granite used on facades, pavements, and on the granaries nearby. Ceramic tile is used on roofs, and houses usually have 2 floors, when the ground floor was used for the cattle or as a warehouse for agricultural products. Other times, schist and slate are mostly used in perfect harmony with the natural environment. Recovered for tourism purposes in total respect with nature and rurality, these houses welcome guests while valuing the traditions of the typical Portuguese village. These stone houses offer great lodging facilities with very comfortable inner spaces. The traditional and the modern join hands with an emphasis on furniture. And gardens, leisure areas and swimming pools complete a tourism product that gives us moments of utter relaxation and fun. In touch with nature, people and rural ways of living, delicious food and regional handicraft, the villages of Portugal offer us a different kind of tourism. They take us to dream places where, along with leisure, tranquility and well-being, we can enjoy a deeper and more authentic country. They're deeply connected to the region, to the uniqueness of their people. They reveal the original beauty. They have a history of centuries to tell. They are the villages of Portugal, directed towards those who have cultural and environmental concerns. The villages of Portugal are an irresistible invitation. Come and visit them and let yourself fall in love.